Hello, my name is Patrick Rollins. In today's video, I will be discussing a little bit about my trading strategy and how I intend into trading. So I've been trading for the past year and a half, doing demo accounts and funded trading. Now I've decided to go live. So this is a little bit of my journey and that I'm putting out here. So first things first, thank you for watching this video. If you want to give it a like or subscribe, you could do that. It'll help me a little bit. As well as you will find my Telegram channel right under the description, so you could look at it. I will start posting every day my trading and my predicaments. So you have to know that I'm starting with a $200 account, and we're just trading it with a 500 to 1 to 500 level of leverage. So yeah, that's it. Just really going into trying to make money and see what we do. So for the trading, let's go right into Tradingview. All right, so let's jump into Tradingview. Okay. So let's say we grab this pair right here, which is US dollar against Japanese yen. So we would go to replay, right? And before that, before going into replay, I think it's better if we go to the daily time frame. We just do a quick reset there so we could go further down, right? I close my eyes, trust me. Up, there we go. Yeah. So here we are. This is what, January? Yeah. Okay, so this is where we are right now. We see that the market is a little stable in a way, so easy. We could just go and draw the support and resistance lines, right? So let's draw one right here, and we're gonna pass this one into green because this is our resistance line. And let's put it to 2, and I think this is a very clear support line. So we're gonna pass this one into red, and we go into you go into the 4-hour time frame as well. We do a reset, and here we have the main ones, right, with the main price where we think the price is gonna bounce. Okay, so now in this time frame, we are just gonna look at what we think would be this. I think it would be a nice support. This would be a nice support right here. And this would be a nice resistance, right? So let's see how big it is. 200 pips is not that bad, right? So we go into the 1-hour time frame and we do exactly the same thing. Reset the charts. So here we are, okay? We could see there is a downtrend. We don't care about that. We just buy at support, sell at resistance, right? So we are waiting until price to hit our support line or resistance, right? That's all we're waiting for. Now we see that price somewhat goes here, but it's not super clear. It's not really clear, so we don't trade that. So we're just waiting. Okay, so there's a line right here. I don't know if you could see it, but price is doing something with this line. It's a small resistant line, so we could flag it out. We could be like, hey, we have a line here, so it could be interesting. And we'll just wait until it touches one of, okay, so it touched this one, right? So what we said, that we sell at support, at resistance, right? We sell at resistance. So I'm gonna use this tool right here, just this line, and we say, hey, we are gonna sell here because price is touched there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sell until we find another line somewhere here. It's like, hey, this is where we want to sell. I normally sell at 30 pips. So look, listen, we sold right here, right? And that's what? That's 30 pips right there. Yeah, that's 35 pips. It's great, okay? Oh, wow, we won. But that's very easy. Now, we're just waiting until price just reaches... There we go. Price reached down. So, we are going to buy right here. Going to buy, sell... Okay. Going to buy... Okay, how much was this? Because as I said, I always sell at 30 pips. This is 38 pips. Sell right there. Now we're waiting until price comes down again. And it did, right? Let's say we buy here at this line, because this is where we buy. Same thing, we're aiming here, okay? Okay, so it broke through our stop loss, right? Let's say I normally have a 25 pip stop loss, which perfectly is right here on this line, right? Now, normally most of you have a stop loss and you will lose the $25 that you put in stop loss. What I like to do is I will just hedge it. So instead of losing, I just pretty much locked those $25. So if it goes up or down, it doesn't really matter because they're locked, right? So here, for instance, price went all the way down here. So if we could hold this price all the way down here, that's 48 pips right there. And we know that price will probably go down because if we look, oh, wait. Yeah, if we look somewhere here in the past, right, if we look at the past, we see that price will want to go to this line right here. This is where probably price will be at, you know, because this is the big resistance line. This is the big support line, I'm sorry. This is the big support line. So, I mean, this is okay because, well, here you see there's might be support or resistance, but it's fine. Now going back, you'll be like, okay, going back to this, okay, so we sold right there, right? We sold that, and as we say, well, we sell and then we buy, right? So I sold right there. That's 40. That's what? That's 41. It's around 50 pips, right? 50 pips, and we have 50, a little bit more. We have 75 pips, but remember that we got this 50 pips. So instead of losing 75 pips, we are losing around 50, 25 pips, right? So we go into a buy. Now I'm gonna check to see, okay, it didn't activate. So this buy, what are we gonna try to do? We won twice, right? If the price reaches here, like halfway, I will sell this at a small profit and this one at a small loss, and I will just generate the gains that I got from this sell right here and this buy right here, okay? So did price activate? No, it didn't. Okay, so you see that the price is not really going to go up. So what do you want to do? As soon as the price peaks somewhere here, in between both of them, we'll just do a break even. That's what we want, okay? So a small loss on one and a... Okay, did price reach to the middle right here? What is this? 70, 80. So let's say price has to reach somewhere here in order to break even, right? That's what we're waiting for. So price touched here. Now we sell this at a 40 pip win. Yeah, and we sell this and we close this one at a loss of same thing, right? Yeah, and maybe price could have gone up or price could have gone down. It doesn't really matter what happened right here. So we won this trade. We want this trade right here. We want this trade right here, right? And we want this trade right here. The market went against us when we tried to sell this one up here. It went against us. So what we did, took this $25 loss and sort of closed it, and we sold here, right? So instead of losing 25 pips, we sort of locked it, and then we took a buy here, and we sold this one, right? This trade right here into a small loss, making these two trades even, so 0, and we had 2 wins, right? So yeah, that's pretty much my trading strategy, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It'll really help with the algorithm. And yeah, probably I'll be posting a video every week just explaining a little bit about how the trading went. And if you want to see me trade every day, just go into the description right below. You'll find the Telegram account and you could join the channel. Yes, I'll be posting everything over there. So if you like it, thank you so much, and see you next week. Bye bye.